Hey everyone! It's so good to be back with y'all today. You know, Chip and I are all about creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also warm, inviting and healthy for our family. And lately, we've been so inspired by the growing trend of natural living. Bringing the outdoors in has always been a passion of mine, but it's more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a healthy and happy home. Did you know that a lot of conventional home decor items are made with synthetic materials that can release harmful toxins into the air? That's why we're focusing on natural elements to create a healthier home. So today, I'm excited to share 10 natural home decor hacks for a healthier lifestyle. I'm talking about simple swaps and DIY ideas that can make a big difference in your well-being. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about indoor plants, y'all. Who doesn't love a little greenery? They're like little air purifiers. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They filter out harmful toxins, from the dramatic fiddle leaf fig to the easygoing snake plant. And don't forget about herbs. Fresh herbs add flavor to your meals. Caring for plants is like caring for yourself. Add a few plants to your home and feel the difference. Let's talk about rugs. They're the foundation of a cozy room, wouldn't you agree? Natural fibers like jute or wool have health benefits. Synthetic rugs trap dust and allergens. Natural fiber rugs resist these intruders. They add warmth and texture to a space. Jute rugs are durable and easy to clean. Wool is luxuriously soft and cozy. Natural fibers are sustainable and biodegradable. Your home will be healthier and cozier. Now let's talk about something we all love, a good night's sleep. And y'all, your bedding makes a world of difference. Switching to organic cotton sheets and pillowcases can truly elevate your sleep quality and your health. Think about it, you spend about a third of your life in bed. Conventional cotton is often treated with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin and even find their way into your body. Organic cotton, on the other hand, is grown without harmful pesticides or fertilizers, making it gentle on your skin and better for the environment. And the comfort? Don't even get me started. Organic cotton is naturally breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. It's like sleeping on a cloud. When choosing organic cotton bedding, look for certifications like GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard, to ensure its authenticity. Trust me, making the switch to organic cotton bedding is one of the best things you can do for your health and well-being. You'll sleep soundly knowing you're surrounded by natural, healthy materials. Now let's talk furniture, shall we? When it comes to creating a healthy and inviting atmosphere, nothing beats the natural beauty and durability of wooden furniture. Think about those old farm tables, sturdy chairs, and solid wood bed frames. They just exude a sense of history and character that you can't replicate with synthetic materials. Wood is naturally hypoallergenic, so it's a great choice for people with allergies or sensitivities. It doesn't trap dust and allergens like some synthetic materials can. Plus, wood is naturally antibacterial, making it a healthier choice for your family. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. Wood adds warmth, texture, and a timeless elegance to any space. When choosing wooden furniture, look for pieces made from sustainable sources. And don't be afraid to mix and match different wood tones and finishes to create a collected and personal look. Remember, investing in quality wooden furniture is an investment in your health and the health of your home. Now y'all know I love a cozy atmosphere, and candles are the perfect way to create that warm, inviting glow. But did you know those conventional paraffin candles can actually release harmful toxins into the air when burned? That's why I'm all about beeswax candles. They're a natural and healthy alternative that not only smells divine, but can actually purify the air. Beeswax candles release negative ions when burned, which can neutralize pollutants and allergens in the air. They can even help reduce dust and improve air quality for people with asthma or allergies. Plus, beeswax candles burn cleaner and longer than paraffin candles, so you're getting more bang for your buck. And they have this beautiful, natural honey scent that's just so comforting. When choosing beeswax candles, look for candles made from 100% pure beeswax. They might cost a little more, but trust me, the health benefits and the beautiful ambiance are worth it. So ditch those synthetic candles and light up your life with the natural goodness of beeswax. Y'all know I love incorporating natural elements into my designs, and stone is one of my absolute favorites. It just brings this sense of the outdoors in, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Think about adding a beautiful stone vase to your coffee table. a set of stone coasters, or even a stone sculpture. These little touches can really ground a space and add a touch of natural sophistication. Stone is also incredibly durable and long-lasting. I mean, we're talking about materials that have been around for centuries. So when you choose stone accents, you're investing in pieces that will stand the test of time. And don't be afraid to mix and match different types of stone. Granite, marble, soapstone, each one has its own unique beauty and character. You can even incorporate stone into your bathroom with a natural stone bath mat or a soap dispenser. So bring a little bit of nature indoors with the timeless elegance of stone accents. Let's talk window treatments. They're often overlooked, but they can make a big difference in the overall feel of a room. And when it comes to creating a healthy and stylish space, bamboo blinds are at the top of my list. Bamboo is a fantastic sustainable material. It grows quickly and requires minimal resources, making it an eco-friendly choice. Plus, bamboo blinds add a touch of natural warmth and texture to your windows. They filter light beautifully, creating a soft, diffused glow that's both calming and inviting. Bamboo blinds come in a variety of styles and colors, so you can find the perfect look for your home. Whether you prefer a natural finish or a painted option, bamboo blinds will add a touch of organic elegance to your space. And they're super easy to care for. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth and they're good as new. So ditch those synthetic blinds and opt for the natural beauty and sustainability of bamboo. Now let's talk about a classic clay pots. They're simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile, and they're not just for plants. Of course, clay pots are perfect for housing your indoor greenery. The porous material allows for excellent air circulation, which is essential for healthy plant growth. But don't stop there. Clay pots can be used for so much more. Use them to store kitchen utensils, craft supplies, or even as a charming vase for fresh flowers. You can even get creative and paint your clay pots to match your decor. A little bit of paint and some stencils can transform a simple clay pot into a personalized work of art. And the best part? Clay pots are incredibly durable. They can withstand the elements both indoors and out, so you can enjoy them for years to come. So go ahead, stock up on clay pots and let your creativity bloom. Now let's talk paint. You know, that splash of color that can completely transform a room? Well, it's important to choose paints that are not only beautiful, but also healthy for you and your family. Conventional paints can release harmful fumes, called VOCs, volatile organic compounds, which can impact indoor air quality and even cause health problems. That's why I recommend opting for natural paints. These paints are made with plant-based oils and resins, minerals, and other natural ingredients that are safe for you and the environment. And don't worry, natural paints come in a wide range of colors and finishes, so you don't have to sacrifice style for health. When choosing natural paints, look for certifications like Green Seal or Eco Logo, which ensure they meet strict environmental and health standards. So next time you're planning a painting project, choose natural paints and breathe easy knowing you're creating a healthy and beautiful space for your family. Y'all know Chip and I love a good DIY project, and one of our favorite ways to incorporate natural elements into our designs is by using reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is wood that has been salvaged from old barns, factories, or even pallets. It's full of character and history, and it's a sustainable choice that reduces waste. You can use reclaimed wood to create stunning accent walls, build custom shelves, or even craft one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. Think about a reclaimed wood headboard for your bedroom, a rustic coffee table for your living room, or even a charming set of shelves for your kitchen. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Each piece of reclaimed wood is unique, so you're creating something truly special and personal for your home. So the next time you're looking for a unique and sustainable decor solution, consider the beauty and versatility of reclaimed wood. Well, there you have it. 10 natural home decor hacks that are simple, stylish, and best of all, healthy for you and your family. Remember, creating a healthy home is an ongoing journey, but even small changes can make a big difference in your well-being. So go ahead, try out these hacks, experiment with different natural elements, and see what works best for you and your home. And don't forget to have fun with it. Let your creativity run wild, and create a space that reflects your personal style and values. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below, subscribe for more natural living tips, and we'll see you in the next video.